Today I found a pretty cool AI tool that helps me turn my ideas into a video, as it writes my script and makes the video with stock footage, voiceovers, captions and background music. Basically everything you see on the screen right now, and it's all based on just a single prompt. It's cool because you can put any idea into the generator and see what comes out. For instance, you can think of a server tutorial for beginner servers, or an Instagram creator tip video on how to get more engagement, or even a lovely Christmas video card you can give to your friends and family. Even as a creator myself, this tool helped me to make a video for my personal channel about self-awareness, and my audience really liked and valued this video. And one essential thing I really like about this tool as well, which most other AI video generators don't have, is that it gives me full control over the generated video by providing a project file within a full-fledged video editor. So basically, I simply let AI do all the initial work and then tweak the video in any way I want. Hey everyone, my name is Tim, and in this video I'm gonna guide you through the process of making a video with VEED's AI Text video generator. And stay tuned because along the way I'm gonna give you a few tips to help you get the most out of this tool. Alright, so let's start at the beginning. Of course, there's no video without a topic, so let's simply jot an idea down for a video in the prompt bar. Or if you're stuck and you don't know what video to make, you can also click on the example button that will come up with a topic for you. Now, I have a topic in my head for a video, so I'm gonna type that in. And this is cool because what it does, it writes my script, it assembles all the video footage for me, it adds a voiceover, it creates automatic captions, and adds some nice background music. Then when I click the edit button, I can watch my AI generated video in a built-in video editor to see how it turned out. Now I'm gonna be honest, I think auto-generated videos can be a hit or miss because I sometimes find that it doesn't fully match what I had in mind. That's why I think it's perfect the outcome is not fixed in this case, and instead I can fully edit my generated video if I want to make any changes. Luckily, this interface is very easy to use even for non-experienced video editors, so let me show you how it works. In the editor, you've got the video canvas on the right, the interactive timeline on the bottom, and on the left, the sidebar menu with helpful features and resources. For instance, I don't like this shot in the video. What do? Well, I can easily replace it by clicking on the layer, scroll down in the edit video menu, and replace the video with one of my own videos or a video from the built-in video stock library. You can search for any type of footage that relates to the subject and simply select it to replace it with the existing clip while keeping the original position and length in the video. Also, I think my subtitles are just a little bit boring, they don't really stand out, so let me show you how I change that. I simply head over to subtitles in the sidebar menu and click on styles. You can pick any preset or change the font, size, colors and effects in any way you like. You can even consider adding one-click subtitle animations to really make them stand out. As you can see, it's super easy to change everything around. In a very easy and intuitive way, you can continue changing the aspect ratio. You can change the lines or voice of the text-to-speech narration, change the background music, the clips, and much more. In fact, you can even record your own voice if you would like to replace it with the AI narrator, which I think is a very cool option. Now, I have a great final tip for you. Simply head over to Elements, in which you can find cool stickers, icons, and GIFs. The tip is, if you want to use your video for YouTube, for instance, and you want to encourage people to subscribe or like your video, it can be helpful to have a like, subscribe, and notification bell animation at the end of your video. All I need to do is simply search for that in the animated sticker library, and I can easily select and place it at the end of my video for everyone to see. So I made a few tweaks to my generated video and I'm happy with it. Now I would like to export it, so to make this happen, simply head over to Done in the right top corner, choose your preferred render settings and click on Export Video. And once your video is rendered, you can easily share and download your video straight to your device. So that's VEED's AI Text video generator for you. I hope this video was helpful. You can try it out for yourself by clicking on the first link in the description. For now, thank you so much for watching, good luck and see you next time.